again.
It has been years since the two stopped talking. Today we catch up with Shenboo's Boo about the effects of it all and how he approached life after.
Most days when things get hard, I come out here, and this is where I find a little solace. You know, just being here in the peaceful open air, listening to the ocean, and I reminisce about the days we spent together. If only things had turned out like we both wanted, but as time passes, I guess persons just grow apart. Things just happen and people change. You know, someone you thought was going to be there with you forever, you just wake up one day and they're not there anymore. What can you do? I come out here